All right, welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of my database, MySQL. It's a MySQL database. We are going to be using PHP, some JavaScript. We're going to have some password encryption. We're going to have some authentication. We're going to have some, we're going to have some forms. So stick around. So as you can see, I'm now in my project folder. We're going to create a new one. It's just going to be an index.php. Now, use settings to configure. No, don't care. Okay, so first things first, there we go. Now, going to index.php. So, first things first, PHP is a bit funny, gotta do this. PHP, and then, okay, then you're open, control save. Then tab, we're going to declare strict underscore types equals 1. This is just to make sure certain things don't happen. And you'll see me almost always underscore start. Make sure the session start, and then you gotta go error reporting, and then it's gonna be e underscore all, and then any underscore set underscore display. Okay, display errors underscore errors underscore errors. Oops. One. Oops, no, it's that. Then did that. Okay, that is it. Now, okay, so first off, we declared strict types. Yes, we session started. We did all our error reporting right here, which basically this, you can copy and paste this on all PHPs because these are all websites, because this starts sessions, which is necessary for cookies and all that. All right, so now we're going to go right here. If underscore not open is set open dollar session. That's what we want right there, session. That, and then tab username. That. Okay. So if a session is not set and does not have a username, then we are going to go header open. Oops, not that. Location. Login form. Okay, so basically, .php. So basically, if you're not logged in, you're gonna be you're gonna be forced to go to login to the login form. Okay, and then you're gonna die, close, and okay. So then we go $username equals, and then we're gonna just copy and paste this. Control C, Control V, that. Now, so basically we're just taking the username from the session and putting it into this variable right here, username. That is not very hard to do. Then we're going to create a small welcome message. Welcome message equals this, and then h3, because right here we can do some HTML coding right here. It's going to be welcome, and then it's going to space $username, and you are able to do this because these are double quotation marks. That is why you're able to use this. To Mason's home page, and then it's going to slash close this h3 that. Okay, there's our welcome message. And then I guess that is the end of this. So that. Yes, that is the end of the PHP for now. So we're going to do some HTML coding right here. Oops, save it. Some HTML coding. So we're going to go header class equals w3 dash container w3 dash red w3 dash margin dash top close. Okay, so that's just the header class. We'll be making a header dot PHP later and a footer as well, so don't worry about that. So from right there, we're gonna go into h1 class equals w3 dash center close. Oops, nope. Masons. Oops, okay, I messed up. I need to do that. Masons home page open slash h1. Okay, so now we're going to close the header. Okay, so we're going to open the body. So open body class equals equals w3 dash container w3 dash margin dash left. Okay, so open div class equals w3 dash container w3 dash light dash gray with an E. Yeah, gray with an E, and then w3 dash center. Tab, and then we're gonna have a break right here, and then we're gonna open form method equals get and then we're going to start a paragraph here. Open question mark PHP. And then it'd be echo welcome message dollar welcome message. Okay, and then we close that and that open that P close. Okay. Now, okay. Open P, oops, P, close. Open slash P, close. Okay, so this right here is going to have some buttons. So I'm thinking 4 buttons. We're gonna have an add trainer, an add Pokemon, a list trainer, and a list Pokemon. This way we can like have some more action and stuff rather than just having a blank web page. So, and then we'll also make sure to have it that any ones that's not logged in will be automatically transferred back to the login form. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have button here, button form action equals add trainer.php class equals w3 dash button w3 dash round dash large w3 dash red, and w3 is the CSS we're using. I forgot to mention that, I believe, but yeah, that's the w3. So, and then this one is going to say add trainer, and then we're going to close this button. Okay, not bad, not bad. So we're going to Control C that, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, so now this one right here is going to be add Pokemon, and add Pokemon. Okay, this one is going to be list trainers, list Pokemon, list trainers, list Pokemon, Control save. Now, okay, so that is done. Now we are going to close the form, /form, close. Okay, then we're going to have another break, and then we are going to close the body, /body, and then we are going to finally, oh, did I screw up somewhere? Oh, yes, I did. Okay, so right here, since we're going to have a header and footer, we're going to have the footer right here. So it's it's include inc.footer.php. That close. Close. That's that. Okay. And then basically this Control C also has to go right below this, Control V. And then this is going to be, since it's in there, I don't need that, and I don't need that. And then this is going to be header right here, header, Control save. Yes, everything looks good. Now, so I have already got my WAMP set up right here. Go into my website. Did not find it. Oh yeah, because I have set it up to go straight to the login form, but I don't have a login form just yet, so can't go there. So we'll worry about that later. We'll start on the login form right now, actually. So now login form .php, enter. Okay, what are we at? It's only been about 15 minutes. Okay, we can do this. So now the login form right here. Okay. Well, this is a bit difficult. So, first things first, we're going to copy this right here. Control C. Control V. Okay. Next, $cur year equals date. Open, that's y. Oops. Okay. And then we're going to create some variables for username. Username equals $password equals that. Okay. And then, oops, I can also do this. $error mess okay. Equals $key user equals $key pass. Okay, then I need to go down one. $PHP script equals sanitize. Open $server, and then it's going to be this brackets, and then we're going to go, oops, not that, PHP underscore self. Okay, that is good. Next, since we have a function right here and it is not a made function yet, we're going to do that. Function sanitize oops, and then it's going to be $value. Okay, return. Okay, HTML special characters, open, and then it's going to be strip slashes, no, not C slashes, slashes, yes, and then open tab space, trim, open value, $value. There we go. There we go. There's that function done. Okay. Now, this is where we are going to do the server request post. This is where we're going to be posting. So if $_server, and then we want to check if it is posting, request, oh no, it's all caps, request underscore method equals post. So if it's posting, then we want to require once going to be inc.db.php. This is to make sure we're including the database inside it, so we need that. So $username equals sanitize, open, $_post, and then we're going to go to brackets again, and then username. Okay, and then we're basically going to do the same thing for password. Control C, enter, Control V. Then we're going to go password. Okay, then we're going to get the password hash. So, open password hash, hash equals password underscore hash right there. This is a method to get the hash, and we're going to be using bcrypt for this. So we're going to go password, and then comma, and then password bcrypt. We are encrypting it using bcrypt. That is what that says. And then we're going to have a try catch method right here. So now the try is right here. So try $PDO equals new PDO open DSN user comma PWD. Okay. Then it's going to be $PDO, and then it's going to be set. So we set attribute attribute open to PDO colon attr underscore error mode comma space PDO colon error mode underscore exception. So there's that. And then we're going to do our SQL query right here. SQL equals open select username comma password from users where username equals username. Okay. Then close that, and then close that. Okay, you want to make sure you have these single quotation marks around this username right here because it's a variable and it's going to change based upon what is inputted. And that's why you need this right here as well. Okay, now that's done. So we're going to have our PDO statement right here. So it's going to be $PDO statement equals PDO query SQL. Okay, equals $PDO query. Okay, open $SQL, close. Next. So basically, this PDO right here is going to be queried using this SQL, and the PDO is going to use the DSN user password that we are going to have on the inc.db PHP, which will be created later. So that's done. So now we need to do this. $row equals $PDO statement dash fetch so now then if $row is not equal to null, then we're going to do this. key user equals $row open username, and then we're going to do the same thing for password. Control C, Control V. Okay, so if the rows are not the rows that we got from the querying the database right here are not null, then the key user equals the username and the key pass equals the password. That is what is happening right there. Now, and then we're going to go here else, and then $error mess equals incorrect username or password. Make sure you don't tell them which is wrong, because that could lead you to having a bad security. Now, let's see here. What to do next is to okay, and then after doing that, we have to make sure we set the $PDO equals null. Okay. So, and then this is going to be our catch, right? Yeah. So we're going to go catch. Okay, it's going to be catch here, and it's going to be die open $e out get message. And that is just saying whatever the error message right here is going to be outputted, because we did display errors right here, and for error reporting we put all, so we can just do that right there. Then that's done. That if right there is done. So do I need that? No, I don't need that. Okay, so that. Okay, Control save. The PHP is done. Now we're just doing the HTML. First things first, we're gonna include inc.header.php, close that. So right now, right here, we're gonna go doc type, because we're just saying what type of document this is, and HTML doc type, close that, open HTML. Body is going to be right here. Open body class equals w3 container space w3 margin left left. Div class equals, so div class. This one right here, right? No, this is different. Okay, so this div class, we want a w3 card, w3-card, w3-light-gray. Don't forget your quotations. H1 login form H1 close slash header. Oops, did I even... I forgot the header class right here. Okay. So open header class equals w3 dash container sorry about that. All right, yeah, sorry about that. So first header, and then we're gonna go w3 dash so header class w3 dash red, w3 dash margin dash top, and then we're going to be closing that. Now, that is the header done. Okay, so we're going to do a form action. Form action equals this. Open question mark PHP. Did I show? Okay, yeah. Did I do a PHP script right here? I should have. Yeah, right there. Okay. So PHP echo dollar PHP script, and then that. Okay. Then method equals post. Oops, not that. Equals post. Class equals w3 dash container. Yes, okay. Then close that. Now, so we're going to do the first username. First paragraph is going to be the username. Okay, now, so what we're going to do here is going to be tab open label class equals w3 dash text dash dark dash gray. Okay, and then this will say username colon. Then we're going to close this label. Okay, and then we're going to have a span class. Span class equals w3 dash text dash red be this, and then this to say it is required span, and then we're gonna have an input and this is gonna be required, making sure that this right here, make sure that you have to have some input of some sort. Okay. Username placeholder equals username value equals PHP echo dollar username. Close that. Then it's going to be class equals w3 dash inputs dash border. Oops, dash w3 dash border. Okay. So then we're going to close this paragraph right here, and then we're going to have another paragraph, Control C, Control V, and this one is going to say password. Type is going to be password. Username is going to say password. Value password. Control save. Next. Okay. So we're going to open another paragraph, and then this is going to have a button. Button name should be submit equals submit class equals w3 dash button btn w3 dash red. Okay. So now it's login. Open. Okay, so it's closing the button. Okay. Closing the paragraph. Okay. So we've got the submit button. Now we're going to have to close the form. Okay, we're going to have an h2 class. h2 class equals open w3 dash container w3 dash text dash red. Okay, that should be good enough, and then I should do this for PHP echo error message, close this, close, and then open slash h2 close. Okay, need to close my div, close my body, and then close my HTML. And then down here, we're going to want to this PHP, and then include inc.footer.php, and then close that. Okay, save that. Yeah, that should be done. Now we can test it real quick. We got our WAMP server here, and as I said, it is Mysql 5 and 8, yada yada yada. Okay, so go to website. On line 36, we got a parse error on line 36. Okay, let's try that. Unexpected opening bracket, expecting. Oh, okay. I used a bracket instead of a parentheses. Okay, so I don't need that. Um, line 36. Did I do that right? One sec. Line 36. Oh, I forgot something. It's right here. My bad. So it's PTO exception $E. That is where that $E comes from. That is where that $E comes from. Right there. So, hopefully this works now. Let's see here. Control. Oh yeah, okay. That is ink header. Ink header failed. Yes, yes. Okay, so you got a small login form right here. It doesn't have any of my PHP because it's in the footer, and my footer isn't opening right now. So that is why you see these errors right here. So don't worry about that. I'll fix that later. Actually, I'll fix that next episode. Okay, this is part 2 of the MySQL database website using PHP, JavaScript, and we're gonna, as you saw, we had some password encryption right here. This is bcrypt, as I said, might not be as safe as some other encryption stuff, but this is fine. Yeah, as you see, using crypt blowfish algorithm. So, yeah, all right. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching.